Alright, there's my heater. Let's see about smoke. You won't see none, but I just want to prove that. That's a cloud up there. Right there. No smoke to speak of. Here's my little fan. I know I've showed this before, but the other videos I screwed up on it. There's my little pump. Again, it's too big, but it's all I got right now. I'm tying it in. This side here is the hot coming out. And it's hot. We're talking 157 degrees on the pipe with a little beamer thing. So there's no telling what the temperature of the water is. I need to figure that out one way or another. There's my input, very cold on that side. Here's my little setup. Up here, it shows 350 degrees, which is actually too hot. There you got it. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Anyway, now we're gonna go over here, and I am gonna bury this one day. I'm just trying to get all my testing done and all that stuff. I still got the same redneck setup, but it'll, trial and error. You learn a lot. Pressure 20, well, it won't focus, 20. Got it feeding in. There's going from the exchanger to this tank, and it's going straight across to the boiler. I added that exchanger, mounted it to the ceiling, all the way across, and then it goes down and and then it comes over here and goes back to the jets. I got it coming out. Now here, I've got let me get a better picture. I got a Jandy valve right there, so I can clean my pool and waterfall and all that mess. But anyway, I'm able to turn this off just a little bit so it diverts the water up across to my heat exchanger, and then it goes to the heat exchanger, and then it comes out on top, comes down, and then it's on the other side of the Jandy valve, and it goes whoop into the pool. So now my next challenge, after I got all this mess figured out, know it works for sure. This is going back to the boiler. It's nice and actually it's cold. Well, not cold, but it's a lot cooler than over there. That dude right there is hot. So it's going and the water is getting hot as it goes through. Isn't that great? I love it. Anyway, now my next challenge is to automate that dude. I've got several ideas with some switches and temperature gauges and yada yada yada. I'll get to that when I get to that. Come on. Anyway, that's it for now. Just wanted to show no smoke. From a distance, you can't even see no smoke. So, burning like a son of a gun.